Hey everyone, it's Shakira. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I am going to revamp this wig, which is actually one of my favorite wigs, but the hair has just become so scraggly and raggedy and hard to comb through. So I took it from this to this, which actually is super flowy, bouncy. I have an even, the hair is even from root to the tip, so it's not thick at the root and then scraggly at the ends. And this is what I had to do to get there. So this is where we started. This scraggly, it's a clean wig, but it's scraggly, you guys. It's stiff and it's just not a good look when I wear this hair. And so I'm using my own hair. I'll leave all the information in the description box below, but we're using 22, 20, and 18 inches with our hair. We're going to start with our 22, of course, and as you can see, everything is even from root to tip, and that's what you want to look for when it comes to hair. You want to look for cuticle aligned hair extensions, whether it's wigs or bundles. Now I'm in your bloodline. You know I'm like a childhood friend. Okay, so I am trying to section off this hair, and because it's so, it's not in the best shape in terms of the quality of the hair. I've had this wig for a little while now, and I just don't feel like when you pay a certain amount of money for hair that your hair should be looking jacked up. But anyhow, I digress. I decided to section the hair starting at the wefting that was naturally within the wig, and so from the wefting to the lace portion of the wig, that's where I started my first track. And so I'm using hairpins, and this is my mannequin from the cosmetology school days, you all. I still have this mannequin. I still use this mannequin for wig making. So this is a 22-inch hair, and I did double wefting here so that I could kind of prevent any more shedding. So now that I finally kind of got a foundation with the hair, I am gently taking that thread through the lace towards the front of the wig. I'm using the hairpins to create a stable base because I don't know if it's because I'm OCD, I don't know, but I need a stable base. I need to make sure I'm sewing within the part. I need to make sure that things are somewhat neat. Although we are dealing with a pre-made wig, I just want to make sure things are as seamless as it can be, and it's not perfect, you know, but this is something that I honestly hate to do. I hate to have to add hair extensions to a wig, but I also hate to walk around with a scraggly looking wig as Okay, so this is what the wig is looking like after just one bundle of the installation installation. So it's already looking more full. The ends are looking more full, less scraggly. We have more body and movement within the wig. And so next we're gonna add our 20 inches of hair, and as you can see, from root to tip, we have a seamless line. There's no thinning when it comes to the ends, and that's what you want. You don't want your hair to be looking thick at the root and then thin at the ends. That's not popping. That's not cute. And so this is what it looks like after I've completed the hair. I have a little bit of hair left, a little bit of the 18 inches of hair. And now I'm going to move into straightening out the wig. And so I'm super duper duper pleased with the outcome of the hair. I'm just using a Baby Bliss flat iron that I've had for years. Great investment. And this is the end result. Silky smooth, long extensions, no more scraggly, stiff hair. And I'll leave all the information in the description box below. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.